Well, it is the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's 69th birthday today, and no surprise that two of the rival factions of the party are planning separate ways of celebrating the late Chief Minister's birthday. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palanisamy held a grand program at the AIADMK headquarters in Chennai. The Presidium Chairman Sengotian is helping all of the party celebrations and will also be releasing a souvenir later in the day. Tamil Nadu government also plans to announce various welfare schemes for the poor to mark the occasion. Even though Sasikala is lodged in the Bengaluru jail, all arrangements have been made after getting a go-ahead from her.
Celebrations have begun at the AIADMK headquarters. It seems that Chief Minister Edappadi Palanisamy, along with the senior leaders of the party, has joined here, and it is seen that this is the first celebration that the party is having after the entire O Paneerselvam versus Sasikala debate that has been going on in the state. And this is an important event for the Sasikala faction of the AIADMK, taking into consideration that a lot of the public support till now was spoken to be in the side of O Paneerselvam, and this is one way the party is hoping that there will be more people joining them and there will be more people celebrating Amma's birthday. And today at the AIADMK headquarters that we are at, the lot of events that have been lined up, starting from a birthday cake that will be cut, and also souvenirs that will be distributed here, and also they will be distributing food for the poor and many other events that have been planned. And continuously for the next couple of days there will be meetings that will be conducted by these senior leaders, and right now it is seen that the party's Presidium Chairman Sengotian is offering his prayers to J. Jayalalitha, the lady whom they call the Amma of the state, all raising slogans in support of both Sasikala and as well as the former Chief Minister and the former General Secretary of the party, J. Jayalalitha. This is the 69th birthday, and this is a grand event that has started its own path in the AIADMK headquarters. People are hoping that this will bring a lot of change within the party. From Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.
Meanwhile, the rebel O Paneerselvam camp has asked party cadres to hoist party flags across the state to celebrate Amma's birthday. OPS has chosen the late Chief Minister's constituency, RK Nagar, as his centre for Amma's birth anniversary celebrations. In an impassioned address, O Paneerselvam hit out at VK Sasikala, vowing that the fight for Dharma will continue. In fact, what we hear is that he would be distributing freebies like sewing machines and tricycles. He has appealed to cadres to organize feasts for the poor to mark the late Chief Minister's birthday.
Usually, Jayalalitha's birthday is celebrated with fervor. A lot of people take to the streets, a lot of prayers, songs, dance, celebration. But today, I'm right now in front of Poets Garden, and today it is a very deserted street. No one out here in front of Veda Nilayam, the former Chief Minister, late J. Jayalalitha's house. Absolutely no one, no party members. A very quiet street with security deployed here. Now, all the activity in Chennai seems to be happening in RK Nagar, which is Jayalalitha's constituency, T Nagar, where her niece Deepa Jaikumar lives, and at the AIADMK headquarters, and Marina, where the Jayalalitha Memorial lies. But over here in Poets Garden, a deserted street, no supporters, and people going about on their daily life. With camera person Rajendra Prasad, Shalini Lobo in Chennai for India Today.
Let me go straight across now to India Today's Akshata Nandgopal, in fact, who spoke to the late Chief Minister's niece early in the morning. Akshata, both of the factions competing with one another, both in this competition mode, trying to better the other. But, you know, can you just tell me how different are the celebrations from the last years when the late Chief Minister was alive? Do you see that same kind of, fervor, that same kind of festivity in the air?
Interesting question, Avantika, and to answer that, really, I think at the end of the day, yes, it does come down to a lot of freebies, a lot of public welfare programs, which is still being carried on. You're seeing that happen in RK Nagar as well, where Paneerselvam currently is. They're going to be distributing a lot of goodies and freebies to the people. Besides that, the next 4 days, we're going to see a lot of public welfare programs across Tamil Nadu. So, in a sense, a lot of people trying to carry forward the legacy of Jayalalitha. But comparing this to possibly the last many years when Jayalalitha was alive, and her birthday celebrations used to be very, very grand. I just want to, put in sharp contrast the visuals that we got in from Poise Garden, where Shalini went earlier today and she filed a report which really showed how empty the entire area was. And for that matter, the AIADMK office, Avantika, many will argue that Poise Garden sees no action today because nobody resides in Vedanilayam. But having said that, the AIADMK office, which is where the General Secretary, the Deputy General Secretary, Dinakaran is, it's absolutely empty. So it really shows the contrast between the last few years, how her birthday was celebrated with much pomp and fervor, to today when it's very clear that each faction of the AIADMK is trying to really, indulge in a game of one-upmanship.
Oh, absolutely, Akshita. Thank you so much for joining us.